Come along with us as we yard sale today. This first yard sale was the Jersey Jackpot. And make sure you hang out until the last yard sale where we find bags and bags of great inventory for our eBay store. I'm excited to bring you guys along with us. We left these Hokas behind because we haven't had a lot of luck selling Hoka track shoes in the past. And they were priced pretty high, totally fair for if, we were picking them up for ourselves, but because we were looking for items to resell, the profit margin wasn't quite there.
Just make sure where you put the money.
Depends on what.
How much you want for jerseys?
Jerseys are 5.
Okay.
One quick tip if you are reselling jerseys is to look for the jerseys that have the embroidered names and numbers on them rather than just the screen printed ones. The embroidered ones tend to bring in a higher dollar. Also, the jerseys tend to do better if the player that's on the jersey still plays for that specific team. Of course, there are exceptions, if the player is legendary or retired, but just a few things to keep in mind.
I see which ones you have because a couple of them aren't mine. A couple of my dad's.
Oh,
but
okay.
I can switch them between. So that's
We
fine.
can do. I'm happy
Yeah.
to lay them out if that works. Are the ones that were on the ground yours?
Yeah, and then some. Well, some of these
Okay.
were too. So
All right.
that one's mine. That one's mine. That one's mine. That one's mine. We can pay them all together.
Okay.
I just got to make sure that.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
How are you?
I was so excited to find this vintage Tasmanian Devil sweatshirt. It was just a really cool piece. I tried to keep a good poker face and not act too excited, but inside I was ecstatic. And it's not that it was worth a ton of money, but it just took me back to my childhood finding vintage pieces like that.
How about for the close?
For those 3 items, $3.
Sounds good.
Hi there.
Hi.
This whole section was full of Free People, Lululemon. There were some Athleta pieces. I picked up some of the newer ones, and everything was really reasonably priced, so I was filling my arms. Can you see crew right there?
Yeah.
Probably there's a ton of clothes. All of the clothes in the bins were $1 a piece, and there were quite a few Nike Dry Fit polos, so we did pick those up. We were going to lot them all together and sell them that way, most likely. Usually, we don't always pick up Nike Dry Fit or some of these brands that you see us picking up, but because it was such a good price and the clothes were in great condition, we decided to grab a big pile of them and take a risk. Usually, we are pretty selective in what we pick up. We are constantly checking sell through rates because we don't have a ton of space to store our inventory. So, we definitely want to pick up things that will move. Usually, we like to pick up the newer Nike pieces that are in style, and of course, only if the price is right.
I think we're ready to check out with you whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay, so we've got stuff all over.
Here? Okay, here's some of your stuff too.
Okay. We can start there if you want, and we'll just work our way around.
I think it's all yours anyway.
Is
Okay.
it? Is it?
That stuff is.
Yeah, all this stuff came from right over here.
Let's do. We'll do $1 for this. Does that sound? Okay, so one for this. Two. I'll do the dinosaurs 50 cents.
Okay.
So there's $3.
Okay.
Little one.
I found like
$4. $7. $8.
Okay. Whatever keeps it easiest for you guys. So it's a bunch
so
of
we'll just do
t-shirts.
just $1. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Oh my. Okay.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23,
24.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay.
Okay.
Do you want me? How about I Venmo you?
Yes,
If that works?
Yes,
Okay.
that totally works.
Okay.
You guys ready?
I think so.
So there were two different ladies that got together and did this yard sale. That's why you see us paying for different things to two different people. But it was such a great yard sale, so many amazing pieces and very, very reasonable prices. Definitely one of our favorite yard sales of the season.
Do $1, so 10. So 64.
Okay.
Right?
Yep, that works.
Okay, and I can give you guys a big bag.
Okay. I could try to.
You're just a helper today. Thanks.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
This is Shelly's.
Okay, perfect.
You got your Doc Martens, Sally.
Thank you so much. And then, okay, so we had more. We had some high. Thank you.
How much did I get?
Thank you.
$1.